What's up guys, today we're going to be doing some maintenance on the Range Rover. We're going to replace the engine air filters. This is part of a larger service that would cost you probably $600 or so at the dealership for the oil change, oil filter, cabin air filter, and the engine air filters. We're going to do the engine air filters in this video. There are two of them if you have the 5-liter supercharged motor, and they are on each side. I'll go ahead and show you both of them. Really all you're going to need is a screwdriver and maybe a pry tool, but it's pretty simple. So I'll go ahead and show you. We're going to start over here on the passenger side. Okay, first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and you're going to pull out these screws along the edge here. See if the camera can get them. Now with these, you're gonna feel about halfway up that you've gotten the threads out of the bottom plastic piece. They don't need to come all the way out. They only need to come like maybe an inch and a quarter or so. Okay, you can see on this one just like that. You'll feel it when it starts to get kind of easy and then difficult again as you're loosening this. Okay, and then you'll feel it come up. Okay, and then you could pull out the old one. It's actually not too bad. This actually looks pretty good. I have a 3,000 mile trip I'm about to take, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it anyway, but this one has got a little bit of crud in it. It's not too bad. You can just replace it the same way. Make sure it sits down on there. Okay. And then it's going to line right back up where it was. And you can go ahead and thread the screws back down. Don't need to go crazy on this. There is a gasket on that filter. Okay, that's it. We'll do the other side. All right, that's it. Hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.